Yeah, it did. Yeah, it's when you friend. You know, when you get a baby that small and you feed them that baby can have health problems bad. Oh yeah, I heard it.
So why don't we want fat babies?
I ain't carrying mine in. Well, that baby is fat. Hey!
Let me see the fat baby. That's a fat baby.
No, what makes it bad? The other day I saw a picture of a 10-year-old who was 200 pounds. Dang, 200 pounds for a 10-year-old. That baby's gonna be like that. That happens every time a mother can't shut her child up to feed them a bottle, and that's the result of it. You see that child that much. Doesn't even fit in his chair.
Of course. Imagine the size.
Could you imagine once you started him bouncing? Like it's like
Doesn't
Jello.
even fit in his chair.
He don't even fit in his onesie.
That's not a onesie, that's a 4-seat. I'm sorry, but your sister or whoever's kid that is, overfed your child. Well, so they did it again.
Well, let me show your mom my brother.
Show when you were young, pretty.
Yeah, I'm pretty.